Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so as promised in the description, I said I was going to be giving lots of tips and tricks, and this is a tip or a trick, whichever way we call it, that's really worthwhile remembering. So I've put a red circle and a blue circle there, as you can see, and within those circles you'll see that I've formed a right angle. In the red circle there in the back, it's probably a little more difficult to see, but here in the front on the blue, you'll see that I've turned the corner there. You know, I've created a right angle on it. I folded it basically, the same kind of fold that would have been there originally, obviously, because that's another thing. It can be too sharp a fold or not match, and then that's a waste of time. But yeah, so the fold is matching the existing. Now, the reason why I do this, and why it's a good practice to follow, is that actually stiffens up the whole piece quite considerably. So therefore, afterwards, when you're welding this area, when you'd be putting on, let's say, the closing piece in this instance, you're going to have a lot more strength there. And where you have strength, you have less distortion. So the work piece or the piece that you're repairing tends to needs less work afterwards, with distortion, etc., fillers and whatnot. So I would say from this simple little thing alone, just turning it like that 90 degrees and having it that way, as opposed to just a cut edge up there, it's probably 1.5 times stronger than the green, let's say, across the top and the bottom, where I will be welding as well, but there is nothing you can do there. So yeah, I would say that is the way to go as regards making it stronger and helping yourself. This really is a serious benefit. And again, if you were removing panels, etc., you would leave the piece on there. Leave the corner piece and maybe cut 2 or 3 mil in from the edge and just take out the panel, but leave the corner piece, which will assist again greatly when you're welding on a new panel. And you have to be very precise in your cuts, cutting up your new panel to match up. But I mean, there's time spent at that. But yeah, leaving corners like this is a fantastic help. It's a real aid as regards reducing distortion. So yeah, I just thought I'd highlight this area of this particular little piece and just show you, any place or any part that has a corner is going to be much stronger, 1.5 times stronger than just a normal 1 mil flat, butt welded to 1 mil flat. If at all possible, have a corner, then yeah, use that. Fold it over and make it strong like that. Yeah, so that's the tip there. Maybe there, don't know, it's hard to tell, it really is. Now we need lighting, and you will have seen those mounts here. They were completely rotted out, and I put new plates in here, built them, drilled them. Like you'll see in the photographs there, there's several little holes all the way down here. There's probably 3 or 4 holes along there, and the same here. You will see it on the photographs, the stills of how many holes I put. Probably 3 would be enough. Yeah, and again 3 and 3 here and 3 across, and then it's completely welded in across the top here. Yeah,